Connor, today is September 28th, 2020. No, I need to see you on the video. It's not, I'm taking it. So, Connor, what's a cow say? What's a cow say? What's a cow say, Connor?
Moo.
Yeah, Connor, tell me, what's a cow say?
Cow say hair.
What's a snake say? What's an owl say? What's a doggy say? What's a kitty cat say? What's a duck say? What's a cow say? What's the lion say? What's a frog say? Yeah. Any other animals? What's a goat say?
Mommy, look, Cinderella.
What's a sheepy say?
Mommy, Cinderella.
Yeah, What's a horsey say? Yay! Nay! Nay! I love you, Connor. Sienna, what's your favorite animal?
Lion.
And what's a lion say?
Lion.
Yeah. Hi, Austin. Thank you for bringing Bear and Dog. Bear and Dog. Show me, who's Bear? Which one's Bear?
Since I found them on the floor while I was going
You
into
are
the
amazing.
playroom.
Wait, Connor, which one's Dog? Hold up, Dog. Show me, who's Dog?
Woof.
Woof. And where's Bear? Which one's Bear?
Bear.
Show me, is this Bear?
This
Bear? And then who's this? Who's this? Love you.
Don't get me, Connor.